Hey, good evening. I've got the construction basically finished for the Panther, the Meng Panther. It's a very nice turret. So you see there I put all the Zimmerit on. It's all on there, ready to go. The turret stuff was pretty hard to apply. It was the hardest stuff, but it wasn't that hard. It was a lot of fun. So that was in 5 parts. So you got 2 on the side there. You got this one big one that wraps around. You got the one around the little turret bit there, and you've got 2 more on the side. Then you've got 2 that go along this one here and that one there. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different decals for the front of the turret. This machine gun looks really good. It's got some nice photo etch detail on it. Hey, else they've got the front of it drilled out. If it'll focus, it doesn't seem to want to focus on this MG. I'm not sure why. It's got the front drilled out already, so that's slide molded out. It's got ammunition. It's got a little ammunition belt. The turret's very nice. I mean the cupola. And the Zimmerit comes up very nice with a bit of paint on it. So I've done the first top coat. We're going to do a winter wash, but I'm just testing out because I've got a new formula. So I'm just going to test it first, see if it washes properly and does it all right before we put it on the model. And yeah, it really came up good. See there? So it looks like it's all puffed out and stuff, but because I've all sealed it up with all these different sealants, it's solid. But it just looks like it's curling and it just looks all damaged and horrible, but it's exactly what you want. Came up a lot better than I thought. Just whack the wheels on, so you have to take those front bits off to get them on. I'll take them back off and we'll do some underneath weathering and shit, and then we'll put them on permanently. But that's how it is. It's a very nice exterior only tank. You can't put it on just temporarily. It's one of those academy lock turrets, so once the turret's on, it's on. So I'll give that a little bit of a paint now, the turret. We'll get it to the same stage as this. And then we'll see about the winter white, see how we go. Alright, well I'll get back to it and I'll speak to you again soon.